Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 3 on mobile. You have two primary options to bring the Capital Wasteland to your handheld device. First, you can stream the game using various cloud gaming platforms. Second, if you have an Android device, you can explore emulation to run the PC version directly. Each method offers a unique way to enjoy this classic RPG, transforming your phone into a portable post-apocalyptic adventure machine. Let's dive into the details. Cloud gaming is a fantastic way to play Fallout 3 without needing a powerful phone. Platforms such as Xbox Cloud Gaming, GeForce Now, and Amazon Luna let you stream the game over the internet. This means the game runs on their servers, and you simply receive the video feed and send your inputs. You won't download the game itself, saving valuable storage space. Just ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular data connection for smooth, low-latency gameplay. For Android users seeking a more direct approach, emulation with apps like Winlator is an option. This application creates a virtual Windows desktop on your phone, allowing you to install and run the PC version of Fallout 3. You'll need to copy the game's installation files to your device. While it offers a truly local experience, expect the process to be a bit more involved. A powerful processor, like a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or better, is recommended for playable frame rates. To truly enjoy Fallout 3 on your mobile device, a few tips can make a big difference. First, invest in a good Bluetooth controller. Touch controls are often less ideal for complex RPGs. For cloud gaming, prioritize a stable internet connection to minimize input delay. If you're emulating, experiment with lower graphics settings within the game to achieve smoother frame rates. Finally, remember that these methods are battery-intensive, so keep a charger or power bank handy for extended play sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.